Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sahil Jan. I am from Orange category. And I am very thankful to Quest Academy. They provided scientific word. Today my topic is aircraft carrier ship, army ship. So a Japanese carrier, the Hoseo, which entered service in December 1922, was the first carrier designed from the keel up. After this all, if some another country cross our border, then this radar automatically alert us. So, and the VPN VPN is finished, then this jet are helping from in the fight with the aircraft carrier. So I am very thankful to our Quest.